General knowledge for kids. Check 50 simple GK questions and answers.
Welcome back to my channel Learn and Play with Shibasish. Please subscribe.
What is the capital of India? Answer: New Delhi. Which planet is known as the red planet? Answer: Mars. What is the largest mammal in the world? Answer: the blue whale. How many continents are there in the world? Answer: 7. What is the largest ocean on the earth? The Pacific Ocean. Answer: who wrote Romeo and Juliet? Answer: William Shakespeare. What is the tallest mountain in the world? Answer: Mount Everest. What is the largest animal on the earth? The blue whale. What is the national flower of Japan? Cherry blossom. Which gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere? Answer: carbon dioxide. What is the smallest planet in our solar system? Answer: Mercury. What is the closest star to Earth? Answer: the Sun. Who painted the Mona Lisa? Answer: Leonardo da Vinci. What is the largest bird in the world? Answer: the ostrich. What is the Earth's natural satellite? Answer: the moon. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? Answer: lion. What is the process of a caterpillar changing into a butterfly called? Answer: metamorphosis. What is the chemical symbol for water? Answer: H2O. Who invented the light bulb? Answer: Thomas Edison. What is the largest reptile in the world? Answer: the saltwater crocodile. What is the smallest planet in our solar system? Answer: Mercury. Which gas do humans breathe out when they exhale? Answer: carbon dioxide. What is the national flower of United States? Answer: rose. What is the largest planet in our solar system? Answer: Jupiter. Who is known as the father of nation in India? Answer: Mahatma Gandhi. What is the smallest mammal in the world? Answer: bumblebee bat. What gas do plants release during photosynthesis? Answer: oxygen. Who painted the Sistine Chapel ceiling? Answer: Michelangelo. What is the Earth's innermost layer called? Answer: the core. Which planet is known as the evening star? Answer: Venus. What is the largest planet in our solar system? Answer: Jupiter. Which gas do humans breathe in? Answer: oxygen. What is the national flower of France? Answer: lily. Who wrote The Adventures of Tom Sawyer? Answer: Mark Twain. What is the largest big cat in the world? Answer: Siberian tiger. What is the process of a tadpole changing into a frog called? Answer: metamorphosis. What is the chemical symbol for gold? Au. Answer: who is known as the father of modern physics? Answer: Albert Einstein. What is the largest snake in the world? Answer: anaconda. What is the tallest animal in the world? Answer: giraffe. Who wrote Alice's Adventures in Wonderland? Answer: Lewis Carroll. What is the national flower of England? Answer: rose. What is the Earth's outermost layer called? The answer: the crust. Which planet is known as the morning star? Answer: Venus. What is the second largest planet in our solar system? Answer: Saturn. Which gas do candles need to burn? Answer: oxygen. What is the national flower of China? Answer: plum blossom. Who wrote Charlie and the Chocolate Factory? Answer: Roald Dahl. What is the smallest big cat in the world? Answer: ocelot. What is the process of caterpillar changing into a Solar called? Answer: pupation.
Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share. Bye.